Welcome to the Golden Elite channel. Today we'll be looking at all of these shower panels exclusively available at Golden Elite.
Our shower panels are available in 3 refined styles: chrome, brushed nickel, and matte black, perfect for any decor style. Enjoy the built-in thermostatic technology. Once set, your shower temperature remains constant even if someone else uses water in the house. The finish of our shower panels is of exceptional quality, bringing a touch of sophistication and durability to your bathroom. And for added flexibility, each shower panel is equipped with a handheld shower head, perfect for directing water where you need it the most. For an even more luxurious experience, choose our waterfall shower option, a true pleasure for the senses. Rediscover the pleasure of showering with the Golden Elite Deco shower panel collection. Comfort, functionality, and unmatched quality, all in one product. Enjoying a hydro massage has never been so easy thanks to the horizontal shower jets. To learn more, visit our website or stop by one of our 4 locations. Golden Elite Deco, excellence every day.